I use the Growth Lab as an example, but I also am helping introduce Logictry to fintechs because of this exact issue. So we'll set Growth Lab aside for a second. Logictry is, again, this decision assistant. So imagine giving your customer service person on day one a tablet that has a video from the CEO going, "Oh, Hunter, thank you so much for joining. We're excited to have you here. We've created a decision assistant for you here at XYZ company. And it's basically a personalized learning journey that we've queued up just for you based on the assessment you gave us on earlier today." And so in that tablet, it gives them the areas that we want them to learn. Instead of a 12-week program, it's over the next week. It's all, they're excited to go through it. And it creates, and basically they have it on their laptop and on their PC and basically on their workstation where they can interact with the experts that have created the training in real time.